everyone. So my name is Ritika Agrawal and I have built this application which essentially works as a camera application. So what if I run the application? It works like this. Hi. So to click a picture, we can just press the key C. Let's give an appropriate name to our picture. If we do not give an appropriate name, it will raise an error. For example, if we write anything like this, please enter valid name. Okay. To close the application, we can just press Q from our keyboard. As you can see, the picture is saved in the form of JPG format. And I have also created a test project.py file which tests various methods or functions in my application. Thanks for watching.